I belong with bleeding hands. Lay its brick with love and glance. You were my light, my reason why. Now I just talk to an empty sky. I'm still waiting at the door where your love truly before. Every night I whisper low, come back home, don't let me go. But silence is all I know. You wear your cup, I'll fix your tie. What you taste, your dreams to fly. I gave you wings, I stayed behind. But now you're gone, and so is time. I'm still waiting at the door where your footsteps touch the floor. Even pain begins to fade, but the love, it always stays. Still alone, still afraid. I don't need much, just one more day to hear you call, to hear you say that I remember who you are, but wishes didn't go that far. So I sing here on the stage, old and tired, full of ache. Not for gold, not for fame, just to call out your name. Still waiting, still the same. Thank you so much.